Segment 2. I'd like to ask everyone what brings you here today and what changes you are interested in seeing within the family system. As far as how this group session works and this family session, we don't want to interrupt anybody. And if that starts to happen, as a facilitator, I will redirect that. We want to work on making I statements, right? So identifying, I feel blank when this happens. My belief towards that is blank. And my hope for myself, which is something that's in my control, and then my hope for the situation or my hope for someone else, which is out of my control. So when speaking, we want to talk about I statements. We don't want to blame, and we don't want to say, I feel angry, or you make me feel angry, because nobody can actually make us feel any certain way unless we give them that power. So just make sure that you are creating I statements and in not blaming.